Welcome to the best picks. The best truck light bar is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for truck owners, offering a significant upgrade in visibility and safety for both on- and off-road driving. Whether you're navigating challenging terrains, working late nights, or simply enhancing your truck's aesthetic appeal, a high-quality light bar can dramatically improve your driving experience and provide peace of mind. This video will delve into the top-performing light bars available, helping you choose the perfect one to meet your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Nilight ZH003 LED Light Bar Kit. This kit dramatically improves visibility, enhancing safety on any adventure. It's perfect for Jeeps, boats, trucks, and more. With high-intensity LED chips and a clear PC lens, it delivers a super bright white light to cut through the darkness. Experience unparalleled illumination. It features a combination of spot and flood beams. This provides both long-distance reach and wide-area coverage for ultimate visibility. Easily adjusted up to 45 degrees to precisely direct the light beam wherever you need it. Simple and effective. The specially designed aluminum alloy cooling fins ensure a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability. The kit includes one 126W combo LED light bar, for 18W spot LED light pods, and all necessary mounting brackets. Everything you need is right here. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty for worry-free use. What we like. It boasts an incredibly bright beam and a unique combo beam pattern for ultimate visibility. If you need both long-distance and wide-area illumination, this is perfect for you. Its adjustable mount makes aiming the light a breeze, ensuring optimal performance in any situation. What people say. This was a perfect kit for my truck. I put the bar in 2 pods on the front and 2 pods on the rear for the bed. And it worked out great. Super easy to wire up. They give you about a foot of wire to splice into. They're super bright and I've had them on the truck for around a year and they're still working great, no problem with water getting inside of them. They're very lightweight and easy to mount. I have had many LED lights for the boat and cars and trucks and I have not seen any other ones that are in this area of price and actually looking good and working well and lasting this long. The small ones are pointed out to the left and the right side and I see the side of the river and any fish activity in the reeds and shrimp and mullet eyes are so good and bright and I have no trouble catching bait with a cast net and it has made nighttime boating so much easier to do and way better visibility and safety, and people who are out there definitely can't miss me if I'm within 2 nautical miles from them. The other ones. The last 2-3 pucks I have mounted on the rear of my truck and hooked up so I can see what I want to when I'm backing up the truck with or without the boat trailer, and it makes tailgaters seemingly just vanish off the side of the road and into the woods instantly as I turn them on to get the jerk behind me to get off my bumper. The mount are a little bit tricky to get aimed because of the 4 little bolts in each side of the tracks in the middle of the light, but just loosen it up a bit and kinda wiggle and rock it up and down and it will move and be easy with retightening the bolts, and maybe one turn on one then a different one and do each individual one a little bit at a time and watch the light to be sure it doesn't seem to be moving on you and you're golden. Great lights I use on my headache rack and mounted on my semi-truck for backing up in dark areas. Very bright and holds up well for commercial applications. Great for backing up in dark places and use for headache racks for light to hook up trailers and check loads on flatbed trailer. Number 4. Nilight ZH002 LED Light Bar Kit. Get ready to experience unparalleled illumination with this powerful LED light bar kit. It's designed to enhance your visibility and safety on any road. It boasts high-intensity 3W LED chips and a clear PC lens, delivering a super bright white light that cuts through the darkness. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're seen. This kit offers a perfect blend of spot and flood beams. Experience both widespread and long-distance illumination for ultimate visibility. Easily adjust the light bar up to 45 degrees to precisely direct the beam wherever you need it. Customizing your lighting setup has never been easier. It features superior quality wires with excellent conductivity, high temperature and melting resistance, and outstanding bending performance. It's built to last. This kit includes one 126W combo LED light bar, 2 18W spot LED light bars, a wiring harness, mounting brackets, and is backed by a 2-year warranty. Drive with confidence. What we like. This light bar also offers superior brightness and a versatile combo beam. But what sets it apart is the included wiring harness, simplifying installation. If you value ease of setup and a complete kit, this is the one for you. Number 3. NAOEVO 7-inch LED light bar. These light bars combine a spotlight for long-range illumination and a floodlight for wider area coverage. This powerful combo is perfect for safer night driving, especially off-road. With 240W and 24,000 lumens, these lights are incredibly bright. The adjustable bracket lets you easily aim them, ensuring a clear and broad view of the road ahead. They're built tough with a die-cast aluminum housing, waterproof to IP68, and have 10 cooling fans for a long lifespan. These lights can handle even the harshest conditions. Installation is a breeze. Check out the included pictures or videos for simple step-by-step instructions. They're great for off-roading, work, fog, or driving lights. Use them on trucks, boats, ATVs, even in your yard. They're perfect for any outdoor adventure. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. With an impressive 24,000 lumens, it delivers exceptional brightness. Its robust build and IP68 waterproof rating make it ideal for extreme conditions. If you prioritize durability and ease of installation, this light bar is a great choice. What people say. I mounted 4 of these LED lights on my 32 HP diesel tractor and 2 similar LED lights on my 32 HP diesel mower. They are very bright. With a 40A alternator you could use 10 of these lights and still have 25A for the rest of the machine. That lights up a field pretty well at night. Bright AF. On the front of my truck. Housing is all metal, they do get abused and used all the time, still functioning 6 months down the road. Would recommend, good auxiliary lighting, came with all hardware, installed in minutes as I was replacing older lights that no longer worked. Number 2. DWVO 32 LED light bar. This innovative light bar boasts a dual-row design for superior brightness and efficiency. It's perfect for illuminating even the darkest roads and trails. The unique multi-lamp bead combination delivers extremely high luminous efficiency. Experience unmatched brightness and clarity. It's incredibly bright, runs cool, and offers powerful, long-distance illumination. Enjoy superior visibility in any condition. The upgraded reflector cups provide multi-angle refraction, ideal for extreme environments. It's designed to perform under pressure. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it can withstand harsh weather. The aluminum alloy housing ensures efficient cooling and a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. The sturdy mounting bracket secures it firmly, even on rough terrain. It's suitable for various vehicles, boats, and even outdoor lighting applications. What we like. This light bar shines with its incredible 48,000 lumens, providing unmatched illumination. Its IP68 waterproof rating and durable construction ensure it can withstand harsh environments. If you demand maximum brightness and reliability, this is the option for you. What people say. The combination of spot and flood lights gives me incredible visibility, both long-range focus and wide-angle coverage. The 300W power output is seriously impressive, and the durable, weatherproof design means it holds up in any condition, from rain to dust. It is a very bright light bar, and for the price it's not bad built. Also, I use this on an 03 Chevy Suburban paired with a set of Rough Country 54 light bar brackets and get zero light bar noise. I was pleasantly surprised. I am sure it was pure luck in the setup, but hopefully this helps others. Number 1. OEDRO 42-inch LED light bar. This powerful light bar is designed to illuminate your path, no matter the conditions. Its advanced LED chips provide exceptional brightness and a wide beam pattern. Experience superior illumination with its 540W combo beam. See farther and wider, enhancing your visibility and safety. It features a robust cooling system with aluminum alloy heat sinks and high-quality silicone gel. This ensures a long lifespan, exceeding 50,000 hours. It's IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it perfect for any environment. Its durable construction withstands even the harshest conditions. Everything you need is included, the 42-inch light bar and a wiring harness kit for easy installation. Get yours today. What we like. It features a powerful 540W output and a triple-row design for superior brightness and coverage. Its long lifespan ensures years of reliable performance. If you're looking for extreme brightness and longevity, this is the light bar for you. What people say. Installation went smooth. There was no manual, but it is hard to put on in a wrong way. It does whistle. I used door edge trim from Auto Parts Store $12. I put trim on several ribs, but the one which actually stopped whistle was the lowest one. At night photos you can see how bright stock xenon lights are, and then with windshield lights and with LED bar. I like 3 rows of LEDs a lot. Small lights light sides of the road real nice. The lights came out of the box and the housings feel solid and quality built. They are very bright. The install is pretty straightforward if you are familiar with wiring, wire routing and tinkering. As for brightness, WHOA. These lights are like carrying a sun around. They work really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.